हाय एवरीवन, मैं हूँ सानवी। तो आज मैं आपको एक बुक रीड करके दिखाने वाली हूँ। तो आप क्या चाहते हो, मैं इंग्लिश की बुक रीड करूँ या हिंदी की बुक रीड करूँ? तो मुझे करनी है इंग्लिश की बुक रीड। तो आप लोग देखना, मैं एक आपको स्टोरी बताने वाली हूँ और आपको उसे सुनना है, केयरफुली सुनना है। तो हम अभी शुरू करते हैं। हाय गाइस, मैं वापस आ गई हूँ। तो बहुत दिनों के बाद मैं आज ये वीडियो शूट कर रही हूँ। तो आप लोगों को कौन सी बुक पढ़नी है? तो मैं अभी का भी निकाल के आती हूँ आप लोगों को लिए। शायद आपको कमेंट्स बता देना कौन सी बुक पढ़नी होगी। वो आज हम रीड करते हैं। तो गाइस, लुक्स लाइक आज हम ये वाली बुक पढ़ने वाले हैं। तो ये है व्हाई कांट आई। तो हम बिगिन करते हैं। बिगिन। तो यहाँ है बुक अबाउट रूल्स। ये रूल्स के बारे में बुक है। जेनी टुक देम 1 second अभी शुरू से। जेनी केम टू लुक आफ्टर जॉर्ज and his sister Rosie. Mom told them the rules. They had to go to bed at 7 o'clock. They had to listen to Jenny. They had to keep to the rules. But George said rules were silly. Jenny took them to the park. They had to cross a road. Jenny said there were rules for crossing roads. They had to stop, look and listen. But George didn't want to stop, look or listen. He nearly ran into the road. Jenny said rules can keep people safe. Later on, Jenny got out a game. She told them the rules. They had to take turns to throw the dice. But George didn't listen. He didn't take turns. No one could play. So Jenny had to put the game away. She said rules make playing games fair. Then Jenny said it was 7 o'clock. It was time for bed. But George didn't want to go to bed. He wanted to stay up late. But why can't I? He moaned. Jenny said he needed his sleep. She said people need sleep to keep fit and well. But George didn't listen. He stayed up late. He got tired and grumpy. Then Jenny told them that she had to keep the rules too. She told him she worked in a shop. The shop had lots of customers. It was a great place to work. But she had to keep to the rules. She had to look smart for work. She had to get to work on time too. But one day Jenny was late for work. The customers could not get into the shop. Everyone was cross. Jenny nearly lost her job. She was never late again. George was really tired now. He yawned and yawned. George got under the blanket. He said rules weren't silly at all. So now, can you tell the story of Emma dropping her drink on the drink path? How do you think the boy who tripped over felt? Why do you think Emma should use it in the bin? Now see in the picture what is happening. You can see that a girl called Emma is throwing her drink on the road, and the boy just tripped over, and then she threw it again in the dustbin at the last. Okay, now let's use another book. तो बच्चे, मैं वापस आ गई हूँ। मैंने बुक्स ढूंढ ली, मुझे कौन सी पढ़नी है। तो हम अभी शुरुआत करते हैं आज का टाइम सेट। तो अभी मैं बताती हूँ मुझे कौन सी बुक पढ़नी है। वो तो आपकी चॉइस की बुक हो गई थी, अब मैं अपनी चॉइस की बुक पढ़ूंगी। तो बच्चे, आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे लाइब्रेरी है। लाइब्रेरी में बहुत सारे बुक्स पड़े हुए हैं। तो बहुत सारे ऑप्शन है सिलेक्ट करने के लिए। तो गाइस, मुझे ये वाली बुक पढ़नी है, ये वाली। समटाइम्स आई एम अ बॉम्ब बेयर। सो फनी गाइस। तो हम आई एम बॉम्ब बेयर रीड करते हैं बुक। हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। समटाइम्स आई एम बॉम्ब बेयर। name is Katie Ongers and I am a really good kid. I smile a lot because usually I am happy and I give excellent hugs. I brush my teeth without being reminded too much. I can velcro my own shoes and put my toys where they belong, including the ones with 48 small pieces. Wow, not that sort of toys. I don't whine or stamp my feet or growl, even if my brother knocks down my beautiful castle. I just built it and I told him not to touch it. And I'll never be able to get it to look that good again. Sometimes I can hold into tears and the pushes and just say, that's okay. But sometimes I am bomb bad. I show my teeth and make fierce noises. My face crunches tight like a monster. I use my feet and my fists instead of my words. My toys end up all over the floor, and so does my brother. There's a lot of yelling when I'm Bombaloo, and some pointing at my bed. Finally, I'll have to go take some time for myself and think about it. That's a good situation. But when I'm Bombaloo, I don't want to think about it. I want to smash stuff. I can come out when I'm ready to control myself and say I'm sorry to my brother. But while I'm Bombaloo, I'm not sorry. I'm angry. I hate everybody and everything. Even my dog Vanilla and my penny collection and my blankie and my mother and all of the clothes in my bedroom. On their way out of the drawer, a pair of underpants land on my head, like a hat. When I laugh, I'm Katie Ongers again. And I'm sorry and a little frightened. It's scary being Bombaloo. My mother knows that. She hugs me and helps me clean up the mess Bombaloo made. And then after some sorries and kisses from my brother, and we build a new castle together. Okay guys, let's read another book. अभी आप कौन सी बुक पढ़नी है? अभी कुछ हम हिंदी की बुक पढ़ते हैं. नहीं, हिंदी मुझे अच्छी नहीं लगती, तो मैं डिसाइड करूँगी मुझे कौन सी पढ़नी है. अभी नहीं पढ़नी वो मैं ही डिसाइड करूँगी. गाइस, आपको पता है ये क्या है? ये है मेरी स्कूल की टेक्स्ट बुक. इस पे क्या लिखा हुआ है मुझे कमेंट्स में बता दीजिए. तो इसमें बहुत सारे अच्छे स्टोरीज है बच्चों के लिए. तो उनमें से हम कुछ तो एक स्टोरी पढ़ने वाले हैं. So excited! तो हम ये वाली स्टोरी पढ़ते हैं. Helpers in our neighborhood. तो बच्चे हम शुरुआत करते हैं. हाय बच्चे. तो हम शुरुआत करते हैं आज की स्टोरी पढ़ने के लिए. Let's read. The class today had a different look. Children were not in their uniforms as usual. Mrs. Simon, the English teacher, had finished her lesson on community helpers. Today the class was having a fancy dress show. Children had come dressed as their favorite community helper. It seemed as if the entire neighborhood had fit itself into the classroom. The classroom was abuzz with pleasure as Mrs. Simon entered during the English period. Good morning, dear helpers, she said as she greeted the children. You're all looking amazing. She complimented them. Are we ready to start the show? She asked. Yes, shouted the class in excitement. They could not wait to begin. Since yesterday, after Mrs. Simon had announced the class fancy dress, they were all full of excitement. They had all gone home with their plans. They had made props and learned their lines with the help of their parents, and now wanted to present it to their friends. Yes, yes, yes! They shouted again. But wait, I have an idea, said Mrs. Simon. Since you all have dressed up so well and are looking so lovely, let's go to the auditorium and have a fancy dress there. You can all walk on the ramp and then present yourself to your friends, she suggested. The class lined up and went to the auditorium. To their surprise, the stage was set, the mic was on top, and the spotlight was on. Mrs. Simon instructed them to imagine themselves to be models and walk on the ramp. He put a lively music on, and the class started walking on the ramp. They walked through the entire ramp and took their positions on the stage. Okay, we're all set to come up one by one to the mic and present ourselves. And present our favorite community helpers. We will start with you, Rishi, Mrs. Simon said. Rishi walked up to the mic. He was wearing a colorful apron and carrying a paint bucket with brushes in his hand. He had a shade card in the apron pocket and a roller was peeping out of his pant pocket. Good morning, dear friends, said Rishi. I'm Rishi, the painter. I may look a little dirty, but that is only because I paint houses and buildings to look them different. All his friends clapped for him as he went back to his place on the stage. Wonderful, Rishi, said his teacher. Next is Monica's turn. Monica walked up to the mic smartly. Good morning, dear children. Today we'll go out to study English, she said, and she looked over her glasses at Mrs. Simon. Everyone smiled at Monica. She was dressed just like Mrs. Simon. She tied her long hair in a bun and was wearing trousers exactly like that of Mrs. Simon. Mrs. Simon too could not stop smiling. Next was Raman's turn. Raman in his yellow helmet and toolkit reminded all of Bob the Builder. Good morning, everyone. I am Bob the Builder. You can call me to build a house for you. I will use the best material to build your dream home, said Raman confidently. Wow, Raman. That was very well spoken, appreciated Mrs. Simon. Who will be next? Let me see. As said Mrs. Simon as she looked at the children. One by one, they all came and presented themselves. There was a firefighter, a banker, an actor, a baker, a dentist, a policeman, a nurse, a doctor, a janitor, a plumber, an electrician, a social worker, and many more. तो गाइस, आई होप आपको आज के सेशन में बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया. तो हम आपको नेक्स्ट सेशन में मिलेंगे. और गाइस, नेक्स्ट सेशन में तो हम बहुत ही कमाल की चीज़ है. नेक्स्ट सेशन में हम कुछ डॉल के ऊपर करेंगे. तो आपको याद है मेरी ये वाली डॉल आना, जो किसी मेरी वीडियोस में भी आती है, आप इसको देख सकते हो ना. तो ये क्या रोल प्ले करती है. यहाँ पे है मेरा हाउस, आप देख चुके हो ना. ये मेरे किसी वीडियोस में भी आता है. वहाँ पे है एल्सा और आना बेड पे है. मुझे इनके वीडियोस करने के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा मज़ा आता है. मुझे डॉल्स के वीडियोस बनाना बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. मुझे ऐसे स्टोरी टेलिंग वाले वीडियोस भी बनाना बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. तो ना आप मुझे कमेंट में बता दीजिए कि आपको ऐसे वीडियोस देखना अच्छा लगता है नहीं अच्छा लगता.